A quality ring light for monitor can make everyday tasks significantly easier while saving time. These lighting tools reduce eye strain and improve visibility for work and streaming. Options exist that match different setups, budgets, and preferences. Choices are evaluated based on features, ease of use, performance, and value. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 5. Built with durability in mind, this ring light focuses on overhead simplicity with a large 12-inch ring for even coverage. It suits creators who want consistent shadow-free lighting for overhead videos, photos, and step-by-step tutorials without extra stands. The design helps you place your phone or camera easily and keeps hands free while you cook, craft, or demonstrate. Compared with smaller panels, this size spreads light wider so your workspace looks bright and clear in every shot. It is compact, adjustable, and built to match common phone and camera setups. If you record flat-lay content often, this Ubeesize ring light gives you a focused, well-lit frame that highlights details without complicated gear. Number 4. Focusing on key functionality, this ring light focuses on sturdy build and practical controls for computer use. Adjustable lets you match the room lighting without hunting for presets. The slim rotating bracket helps position the camera closer while keeping the light out of the shot. Color temperature settings let you reduce mixed cast from windows or warm office lamps. Common setups show it clipped to a monitor top, shining on faces during calls, streams, or quick vlogs. Compared with thinner options, the slightly heavier base can reduce wobble on uneven desks. If you want consistent facial lighting on camera without complex mounting, this design balances simplicity and features. It targets streamers and remote workers who prioritize stable illumination over flashy extras. That practical focus is why it appears on this comparison list. Number 3. This model focuses on a slim, adjustable build that fits neatly beside laptop screens without taking up desk space. Its clip arm and bendable neck let you place the LEDs close to the screen or shift them for a selfie spotlight without moving the whole setup. The multi- and color options help balance indoor shadows so your face and screen look clearer at the same time, which matters for calls and recorded content. It suits students, remote workers, and creators who move their lighting between desk, bed, or small travel spots. Compared with other ring lights, this one is compact, quick to attach, and easier to reposition quickly, explaining why it appears on this round. Number 2. This kit brings a sleek, compact lighting solution tailored for professional video calls. With a sturdy frame and 48 high LED lamp beads, it delivers up to 10 W of illumination that suits various room conditions. The adjustable color temperature and settings allow precise control, helping you match different environments and skin tones effectively. This design targets remote workers and creators needing consistent on-camera light without complicated setups. It stands out by combining portability with flexible lighting performance. For anyone seeking improved visibility and a polished image during daily calls, this option balances functionality and convenience, securing its spot on this list through thoughtful configuration and practical usability. Number 1. This ring light focuses on gentle appearance for video calls and streaming. Litones uses a 4-layer optical soft panel to ease harsh glare and ring reflections around the eyes. 5 color temperatures and 10 levels create 50 possible lighting combos for different room setups and camera scenes. That level of adjustment helps your skin tone look natural, while giving you control for various environments. The larger lit area covers laptops and media monitors, so your face stays lit without tricky positioning. If you need flexible, flattering lighting that cuts shadow lines during calls, this design makes it easy to dial in a clean, professional look. This category offers several strong choices depending on your setup and priorities. Budget-focused buyers, performance-focused buyers, beginners, and frequent users will each find suitable fits. Comparing size and mounting options helps match your specific needs. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.